Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5074109, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the updates. So here you can see pause, click on pause over here, and then once paused, now click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find app readiness at the top. Here you can see app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click on app readiness, then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, now you can go back. If you see the retry option over here, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working, then run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command. Paste it, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command and paste it on the same window. Hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5074109. And then click on search over here. And then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your version. In my case, it's version 25H2. And then check the system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Check the system type. System type is 64-bit operating system, x64. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5074109 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. So once it is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. This is Microsoft website. So click on here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. By default, here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.